Hi friends, how are you doing? It's been a minute, actually not a minute. I think I last put a video up in January. Yeah, my bad, but I am here. Thank you for keeping here on this platform. My name is Marjorie Nantambi, your personal growth and your personal finance coach. How have you been? I hope you have been amazing. I come with very good news. So you remember the last video I posted here was about vision boards, how vision boards work, how I had set my vision board. I put a video up about how to make your own vision board. I hope you made your own vision board, but if you did not, I come bearing very good news, because around this time last year I came with a group of friends of the 5 a.m. club. I made videos about the 5 a.m. club, and if you want to join our 5 a.m. club, you can also let me know in the comment section and we see how to plug you in. So we made a vision board, and different people put up their goals and the things they wanted to achieve. And the good news that I have to share today is actually a testimony of the vision board. So I made my vision board. Here I shared. If you have not watched that video yet, I'll link it either somewhere on the screen, or I'll leave a link in the description showing the details of my vision board, how I made it, and if you want to make your own, what to do, all the different steps that you should follow. But the good news is the testimony that I have to share. So if you follow me on my Instagram, if you do not follow me, you should pause right here and go follow me, because you are missing out on all the tips that we share. And for those that are already following me on Instagram, my handle is Marjorie Nantambi. Marjorie Nantambi, I'll link it either on the screen or in the description. Marjorie Nantambi, head right there. And if you've been following me already, you already know the testimony that I'm about to share. So like I said, last year around this time, November, we went out, set our goals, wrote them down on paper, downloaded images. Yes, we downloaded images of the things we wanted to achieve and placed them on our vision boards. I pinned up mine as well. And the testimony is, one of the things that I put up on my vision board, I wanted to have my second baby. For those that know me know that I have a son already who made 3 years, and I wanted to have my second baby this year. So I just got a random image of a couple online on the internet, and they were carrying their boy, and the lady was expecting. So I got that image, I pinned it up on my vision board, and the testimony is, I actually got my baby this year. For those that follow me already, like I mentioned, you've already seen pictures of the bump. Yes, I shared a lot of that on my Instagram, and then you've already seen the baby as well. Yes, so that is the testimony, and I'm here to encourage you. If you're out there and you've been wondering, or you've been thinking about it, I want to work on my vision board, but I'm not so sure what to do or how to do it, or maybe you've worked on it before and nothing has come through yet. I'm here to encourage you that vision boards actually work. Yes, vision boards actually work. So I have my vision board right here. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Oops. Can you be able to see me? Okay. Can I put it this side or this side? So this was the vision board that I worked on last year around this time, November last year. So as you can see, I had goals in my career, my family, my finances, spiritual goals, my physical goals, and all that. And the testimony that I'm sharing is the family, or what you can call relationship goals. I don't know if you can see this picture right here. You see this picture right here. So I wrote that I wanted to have my second baby. So like I said, I got a random picture on the internet of a gentleman with the wife carrying their baby, and the lady was expecting. That's what I put on my vision board. And right now, like I said, I have my baby girl. Yes, so today it's just an encouragement that vision boards actually work. If you've been thinking about it, if you've been procrastinating about it, or if you don't know what vision boards are or how they work and all those things, guess what? I am right here. And that's why I said you need to go to Instagram and follow me. Why? Because I'm going to be sharing tips every single day on my Instagram stories. I just made a post on Instagram sharing a few bits about what it means to have a vision board, but I'm going to be sharing every single day, yes, on my Instagram stories about what a vision board is, how you can make your vision board, where to get the images, how to even know what your dreams are. You know, sometimes we don't know what the dreams are. Yes, you know you want to have a good life and all those things, but you're not sure what it is exactly that you want. So I'm going to be taking you on that journey, and I would love you to join me on that journey. So just head over on my Instagram and make sure you view the stories every single day. Plus, do not forget to subscribe here, because I'll be sharing the tips in details on my YouTube as well. So thank you so much for being here. For those that have worked on their vision boards, you can share some tips in our comment section of what has worked for you, what has not, how you made sure you achieved those goals and all that. And for those that would love to get on this journey, you can also post your questions. What is it about vision boards that you'd want to know, or would you want me to help you on that journey? So this year I'm also going to be working on or adjusting a little bit a few things on my vision board. Like I said, I've achieved that, so that means that has to be ticked off the vision board, and then I'll have a few things added, and then I have also other goals that I've not yet achieved. Like you can see, it's a huge board, and there are quite many that I've not achieved yet. So I achieved that, and then I achieved wanted to have a place for Msichana, the reusable sanitary pads. That's the business that we do. I'll come back and share that in detail as well. So just make sure you subscribe and make sure you hit the notification button, right? Notification bell, such that you do not miss when I upload the next video showing the details of how to work on your vision board and what you need to do, why you actually need a vision board. You could be watching and you're like, but I don't need a vision board. I already know what I want to and or to achieve and all those things. But guess what? You need a vision board. And I'll be sharing in details exactly why you need the vision board, and also holding your hand and taking you through the different steps that you need to follow to make sure that you achieve the goals that you set for 2023. Yes, 2022 has come to the end, but we still have hope for the next year. So see you in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe, and do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. See you there.